Dirty bad mind, but me do you so. Be a negative, you just.
Please, what do I need? Please, subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg in the name of God.
This is Tony Curtis, representative for Sick Up Your Music, the real music, you hear me? Big up on yourself, Sick Up Your, I go around the world. Blessed love, Tony Curtis has said that. Rolling, poof!
Yo, Sick Up Your.
But
so that's why we as parents need to back up with some of them and do too.
Exactly. Yes, we can say that.
But if your parents call your brother at home, you will know so you have to go to her and go call other people brother too. So it can be one brother love. And no matter if say your parents call your brother, why hard feelings to your parents call your brother?
Little baby? You call, you listen to me. You see this me important. Let me tell you this now. You me a talk to.
Yeah.
You see this me important one you. Anyway. And y'all shout me, my name is Johnny, sir. J-O-H-N-N-Y. Johnny.
As somebody all to call out for your name.
Johnny. Hold on. No, I'm saying, if you see me on the show,
yeah, look, somebody be advertising.
Oh, me I say, if you see me on the road and you show me, no call me, brother. My name is Johnny.
Well,
Miss Johnny.
Johnny. You're not going to get that by me. You're not going to get that by me. Advertisement.
Well, you don't have to call to me.
Me not
advertise. You don't have to shout to me. You pass and go your ways.
Yeah, man.
Exactly.
So, Johnny, if you have a problem with appearance, hold on, man. You talk too much. Let me talk now. If you have a problem with appearance, as I call him, I refer to him youth as Bredda. Do this. How many parents today, especially these young parents, do you ever listen living in the ghetto here and hear all these young parents call them picnic? Hey, dirty boy, yeah. Picky head girl, Jankro. It's better.
Johnny,
brother is a friendly word. You shouldn't have a problem with that, even if parents call him refer to it, especially in these times here nowadays.
But look here,
we should honor that and embrace that.
What it
no parents not call nobody no brother, you know. I'm not calling by your name, you know. Yes. Cause you well brought up them where they, you know. So we're not trying to fuck, we're not trying to talk
about young parents who are inexperienced.
To me, a young parents matter.
We are talking about young parents who are inexperienced.
What me I said, this is it. You bring up this argument.
Yeah.
What it do to what you see is a problem when a young parents said to him, you would say, brother, make you go. What is the problem?
We mean, brother, where did that so long?
What the problem? What kind of problem after him say, brother? The parents say, brother.
No,
why?
I think to all most kids grow up nowadays with these young parents, I think it creates a problem. Because I mean, I talk about from experience, but that's what people say.
Yeah.
I think it creates a problem because calling your daughter, your 9-year-old daughter, you send him out and say, where you was so long? And you go, I say, brother, where you so long? It's like, yeah, your daughter, your 9-year-old son. But I say a companion, size. No, when you go to the road, the same youth them now, I talk to your daughter. Are you son? And I must say, brother, Ray. The mothers call your daughter, your son by name. Because no brother business.
Alright, hear me answer now. Alright, take time off, hear me answer now.
I want you to
alright, hear me answer now. Take time off to listen to this. You see, in them days,
me no matter what I want to say.
Alright, me hear you.
Because of that, I fuck up the whole system.
No, lie you a tell. Lie you a tell. I may tell you why you lie you a tell. Me just never tell you about the argument, Johnny. Me say this little girl, me tell you, there is no party when I miss her. Listen good. So me assure you say, no matter 2 years here, one word or them thing there, it no make a difference. There is this little girl, no party no miss her, and she dip on her head everywhere skin out, a party. And me tell you this, look here. You see when that same little girl left school, me tell you, I saw some big people have to stand up down a country. I look on the amount of subject and something where the little girl come out with. So not you nobody call them parents, them little kids, brother, and I do this, it not change nothing.
Alright, we can have a talk now. Hear me and say. Hear me and say. See, we living in a modern time. The world is evolving. It's evolving with technology. Yes. It's evolving with new ideas. Social media have got a hold of these children's brain. Yes. Okay? No, for a parent, enough time for you as a parent, you know. Get that comfort level with your daughter or your son for them to open up to you and tell you whatever is on their mind and deal with you honestly. You have to deal with them on that level there. Just like how them brethren out the road call them brother.
Fully understand.
You have to do that sometimes as a parent to get that comfort. To get that comfort. That's what you do that. Yeah, just when you get that, just when you do that, my brother, you will receive more information from your children. Your children will be more open to you. When you deal with them on a level of comfort, You understand? Because like me say, you have to realize, you know, enough of we, the youth them spend more time in the school and with strangers than with their parents. So you can imagine how much influence is out there. The influence that is out there. You don't have that time to put on your children because you don't spend that time with them. Naturally.
Back in the past, my live still.
Yes, sir, me say, so you have to learn to adjust. You have to adjust the thing so your youths them can be comfortable talking to you, feel comfortable expressing themselves to you freely. So sometimes you have to stay still to them. You have to use for them terminology. Sometimes you have to use for them terminology just to communicate with them.
Yeah.
Anyway, fine, me understand that. But as me say, I'm gonna say it again, I'm gonna stop repeating because you and your friend them who they are saying about the place. Now I'm gonna change my speech.
No, nobody not.
What I'm saying, you don't have sensible people. These 10 people, come, no, let me go overboard now.
Go on, man.
You don't have these 10 people. I call them like a 5-year-old brother. Them call them by the name. John, Miss Mary, or whatever. So that's how we do with them, yes, sir.
That's it. That's how we do this. So we have a start from...
Me not have none. Me not have none.
You don't have a youth at home?
Yeah.
Why you have at home?
Me animal.
You have a female at home?
No.
You don't have a daughter at home?
Not at all.
And you don't have a son at home?
Myself at home.
So how you figure it understanding of what we are talking about?
Remember,
you are now going to get no understanding of what we are talking about. Oh, you go get it.
Remember, I'm me.
Who are you live?
Hold on. Remember, I'm me come for the argument about me asking about Bredda, you know.
No, because you fight against the word Bredda.
Yeah.
And that's why you come up with it.
One thing,
because you don't like to see the whole way and live like a brother. You are fighting.
You talk like Palestine and Israel. I don't talk
about. Say you are fighting anywhere you put it. You are one of them where you fight it. Look here. So you don't want to see a mother and a daughter live like two sisters. You don't want to see a father and a son and live like two brother. No, you don't want to see it. You are fighting.
No, you cannot pick me up.
Hello, better live it than that. You can't get.
Hello, you cannot put words in my face, sir. Me no know who you
put a lot in a few. You no longer there sit down and listen to you. You much you put in a few.
Don't put words in my face. Don't do that.
So we sit down and take words from you.
That boy.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
When time you're much smaller, you ever pass somebody big on the road and not say man and you get beaten for it?
Hold on. Yeah, good question. When me small and I grow up, when me hit the street, whether me go to school, me not go to school and me go to bush, and me the elder, or even if the elder come over my place, me have to say good morning. Well, nowadays that not go on.
We figure out to yard.
Nowadays that.
But what yard when me try to show you, you're still there. This man, Bingy make you know say there changes in time, but you're still there where you're there.
Changes in time,
you're still there where you're there now.
Changes in time, I agree. But you know the change will come what happen, right?
They can't change it.
It a fuck you, CQ up the WRA.
But you can't change it. You can't change it.
It's about change because you have some little bastard girl, have some pitney. Right. And them and them pick.
Johnny, what me talk about, you know?
Don't walk away from
you're talking about the problem, you know. You're right about the problem, you know. But what you're not doing is that creating a solution. We're giving you solutions.
Yes.
We're giving you solutions on how to deal with these young people as a parent.
Yes.
What you're doing, you're being stiff-headed because you're stuck in the past.
We don't talk
yes, sir,
about
that. Yeah, you're being stiff-headed because you're stuck in the past. When you're trying to tell us you have to get flexible based on the times that we're living in today. And adjust the things.
You already do Johnny and I see. Everything already done, brother.
Bastard girl name that we call a while ago. Say it again.
Me to say?
Yeah.
Don't put it on my face, let me tell you that before.
Say it again.
You say it. Because you are for your out of your mouth when you get video, not out of my mouth.
Let me ask you a question. What is a bastard? What is a bastard?
Not take them finna bastard.
Hold on, man. Let me ask you a question.
That's you are look at.
Make we ask clear this. What is a bastard?
Me don't know.
What is a bastard?
Like the top foot girl them.
No, what them call a bastard?
Because you don't like girl.
Well, I know, man. Because sometimes we use to say some things and we gone out of context, you know. What is a bastard?
Come. When they want to call them mixed breed and mixed race or whatever. But that you want to call them mixed breed and mixed race?
No.
What you call them?
A bastard is a person who is born out of wedlock.
And wedlock is what, sir?
If you're born when your parents are not married, then you're referred to as a bastard.
So
that is what's called a bastard. So when you call people bastard,
hold on. Your father married.
You're a bastard.
But at the time, sir.
you're a bastard. I never know it.
So most of the Jamaican are bastard.
Your mother and father did married when you born.
Me no have no mother and father. Me come from a different.
Where you come from?
Yeah, so I forget him a yellow before.
No.
So you never tell him. You never inform him.
Tell tell me today.
Right.
Tell the world today where you come from.
This bigger than
Me never know say you not come from a mother, otherwise I last year this me a talk to you.
No, it depends about mother.
Yeah.
I'm talking about different.
Nothing fucking different from we. Go on where you go.
They come from different planet.
Where? Which planet?
Oh, me too.
You come from a woman womb like me.
I said planet.
A man you born you know. You a man born you.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Me don't like question that come. Me never say that in the history yet.
You
So
is the only one.
No, but
You
planet,
is
we
the
don't know
only
what going on
one.
your planet.
So you never heard of other planets away from Earth?
Yeah,
planet?
but if you
No, Earth planet me know about.
I'm gonna do some research.
What you
on that.
talking about
your
here?
planet. Which one are you
Me
your
know
planet?
about Earth.
Saturn and forward from?
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Then you know can't bounce a man then. What go on a Saturn?
Yeah,
What
Me no know what go on a
But
Saturn.
you need to know that.
Me no live there. Me come from Earth. Earth me want to know about.
Slow down now. Slow down. Slow down.
Hey.
If you only interested in what take place on your planet Earth, you're making a sad mistake.
No, not all.
You're making a
Me not be know what go on up your backyard, you know.
my backyard.
Hey. What me want to know what go on in your backyard for?
Hold on, man.
What reason for me want to know that?
So, you come up with the word in my backyard, sir?
Your planet. Your planet. Me study my planet, me no need to study yours.
But you know the strange thing about that?
Hey.
Me study both planet. Your planet and my planet.
You want to know what going on in my backyard? Exactly want to know what going on in my backyard. No worry yourself, man. You think you're
No, but yeah, we don't have to get voice out. Look here, what really going on for your planet? Don't give a little something.
Actually, everything what takes place on your planet.
No, I don't believe you.
No, hold on. No, you can't.
Actually.
No, you can't.
Actually. We want to hear what happened.
Hello, can
Where
I
actually I go?
can I answer the gentleman, sir?
No.
Do we have the
Hold
same?
on.
Do we have the same
So
faces?
are you alone on speedometer?
No.
Spin.
No.
Johnny, do we have the same faces like your people?
Not in all cases.
Yeah?
Not in all cases.
Also,
So you try to say, Johnny, you say the young people, them are careless people. Them. So that's what you try.
No, I
you
wouldn't
try
say
put
young
this-
people are careless. I mean, not like that. Because you have parents, you will never hear them come out and I say, brother, look how long me say you got the shop. Look how long me say you got to say Bingy say Riri. You're not gonna have some parents with that.
Now those are
statement.
mature parents who are educated about being parents.
Yeah.
And have some idea about to be a parent.
Yeah.
Yes, but what I'm was talking about
So
is
you-
majority of these youths who are having children is a youth have
But
youths, you know. So it's having a big impact on the world. How the younger generation them are raised up today, because if you look at the statistics out there, most of these youths who are becoming pregnant nowadays, the average even 12 years old nowadays.
Fine, but
you understand? So how could they become a good parent in terms of knowing how to conduct and talk to their parents,
Exactly.
their children properly? It's for us to, as elders, to teach them, but not bash them and call them bastards.
Hold
and
on,
call them all that.
Me know you're upset right now. But you up at your home. Me I told you now. And you send Indy down your grandfather. And Indy go down and mess around and 5 minutes and she come back. You're not gonna use the term but the word where they talk about say brother, wait this so long. You're not gonna use that to Indy, right?
I am very calm with her sometimes.
No, you're not gonna use the word brother. No, hold on. You're not gonna use the word brother. Say wait this so long.
no, it's
She's
not
actually a
Amos.
girl.
It's not Amos. It's not Amos.
No,
You
me,
use it.
no, hello, I'm your
Sister.
sister.
It's not Amos.
Yo,
I'm gonna
she
use
says
it.
she's a girl. If me have a boy picnic, probably I'm raise him like a, because I want to raise my boy. I'm
Like a man. Yeah, you don't wanna
So if it's like a boy picnic, now me go refer to
You see
him.
me?
Yo, what brother, what to you?
But
Just like
what
how
me
me say, six of my son and some of the 11, what brother?
Fight like that, so me jeans, me I go for that, yeah. Life is a cycle, me want to rest too. Fight the fight like that, so dirty heart, the heart attack.
You better look out your eyes, them boss you in. Tell them say Jaja say we no fit it. You a step like centipede 40 leg. Real Rasta man say me and no dread.
No matter how small, say no we have free broke bread. Close for the homeless and make sure the hungry fed. Unity and strength, so why you want see we did. You have to keep your eyes open.
Yeah.